What's up, guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be programming these two Utilitech solar-powered motion censored lights. Now, I think this is a great starter for security. Whenever it's motion detected, all of a sudden the lights are going to pop on, and whenever you program them, that means all of the lights are going to turn on. So we're going to program these two together. I'm not sure if you can program 3 to 4 of them, but for right now, we're going to go ahead and program these two. So let me show you how to do it. First things first is on the back here, you'll see there's an on-off switch. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on. So there you go, flipped it on. It says to leave it on for about 15 seconds before attempting to program. So we'll go ahead and get the other one on so we don't have to worry about that as well. And then a couple things to just kind of point out is if you don't have the light turn on for some reason, here you can put in a battery. You know, if for some reason the solar power wasn't enough to get the light on, or you're afraid that's the issue there, that's something that you can always do if it's an older one or used one. So how to get these programmed is we have the link button over here on the left. You're gonna hold that for about 3 to 5 seconds to start off. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you'll start to see it flash in there. And that's about 1 second per flash, and that's what we want. And then we'll go over here and we'll do the same exact thing, except this time we're just gonna press it once. And then when we press it once, what our hope is there you go. See how it's flashing, or was flashing 2 per second? So it actually synced up pretty quick there. I wish it did a little bit slower so you could see it, but I'll just kind of talk you through it. So this one is flashing about 1 per second, and then this one is flashing, when I clicked it, 2 lights per second. But because they were so close together, it synced them up pretty quickly. And so now whenever this one will finish up here in a second, I'll have to turn it on and then back on, where you'll see both of them motioned, censored, and working. But now they're going to be working with each other. So whenever this light turns on, this one's going to turn on, and I'm going to have them synced up. So pretty simple there. I know that went a little quick. So if anybody has any questions or issues with it, I also created a video on resetting them. That's another good thing to do. You know, sometimes if you get them from a friend or used, you know, they've already been programmed and you have to reset them. So that's something that I'll share as well. But if you guys have any issues or questions, definitely comment and let me know. I think these are great for security, and more to come on the solar power devices. So Smart Helper out. Guys, have a good rest of your day. Thanks for everything. See ya. Bye.